If you ask me, now who I go ask? No matter where we see, so
This one now we to read for ground.
Understanding. You guys go take talk to your husband. How honey, my Ronald is finished. You go talk. You get look at every man get your own responsibility.
You will get time talk. I'm not the politics we will come talk for here now. We come talk waiting there for ground.
This program one of the watch so e not get any political color as the matter be for ground and we be given a so.
We know they talk say SARS or police na the only problem we Nigeria get. People wey dey close to government, they want to tell government the truth.
the matter for ground. Now who I go ask? Now who I go ask?
Yes, so my people, matter for ground, so we don't come again. Matter for ground, and where we talk every matter we say concern society, na government matter, we dey talk am for here. And family matter, we dey talk am husband beat wife beat husband, we dey talk am here. Business matter, education matter, any matter at all we say concern you. Now our head of the put on the shoulder, we dey put am. And so the matter be for matter for ground. Yes, so we don start the talk about 6 years of this Delta State government. For office, how it be, we talked last week on the 6 years of Governor Okowa. But today we want to talk about how youth development matter be for 6 years of this government. I want to talk today. So make it not come out because this self, but we may make yourself shook man for the matter how you see and as it concerns youth development for 6 years of Okowa administration. Now me, the three babe, aka the village family babe, this one, no go back. We just chill at the come. Look around the matter. Just stay.
For that I will greet you now. When I remember say for 2015, the people of Delta State gather body, carry government give Okowa when he come with the smart agenda. Because for the smart agenda, he say he go do plenty things. He say he go repair people's life. He say he go do roads. He say he go build schools. He say he go do everything, great jobs. When go make the lives of Deltans better than the way it be before. So now it don't be 6 years from 2015 to 2021. Now it be 6 years when Okowa sit down for the throne. The question today now, how far Okowa don't waka, how he don't keep his promise, how he don't do rich, may we judge him. This program one of the watch so he not get any political color. Now how he be, as the matter be for ground, I would give una so. Now me when I country brother, Paristozo be Director General, State Orientation Bureau. When Okowa enter on a see and say things come down that first time, because of say he get the call depression. The depression come dey so he come be like say things come hard, but Okowa come manage the resources when the state get. He come first start with what they call job creation office. Office so therefore they create job. Office when he be say therefore the some people be say they find work, to people be say they employ people. They can't get different programs. They get different acronyms. Acronym that be guy name for the program. They get YAGEP. They get STEP. YAGEP. Now the one be say you go learn how to, they will train you how to do things. The government will empower you with this start. They will train you well. Then get STEP. You get JIP. So for inside these 3 things, they can't get other ones when we say that they train men and women, especially from the age of 18 to 36 across the 3 senatorial districts. They can't begin to create jobs. So many of our youth for data, when they find work before, now they employ people. through the Ministry of Youth Development. Okowa can't discover, can't put it called Riser. Riser na program said they collect youth. They go train them. When they collect them, so they look face because you be PDP or because you be SDP or you be ACPCO. Everybody na their hands. You go your local government, go collect from Finland. They will come with pre-qualification. If you pass the test in terms of the age, the numbers when we say they need, and waiting you won't learn, they will come train you. When they train you finish, they go empower you. They also get what they call the girl child office. For this girl child office, they take care of young girls, teach them hygiene, teach them skill, such as sewing, how to do different things, how to cook, pastries, how to better life. When they finish that one, government will come and empower them well. Give them money, rent shop, buy machine, do this, do that, come supervise them. For those who be say they come pass the thing well, they even take them through the state microcredit scheme, can give them loan. Before, now 3 Kpako technical schools now we get. For the whole state, one day for Kwagbe, one day for Sapene, and one day for Agbo. Now government verse. Say we need technical education. We begin to learn things. Not be say small shoemaker work. They will go carry book for Ghana, carry book for Togo, carry book for Cotonou, call they sew shoe, call they do ties, call they do bricklaying, call they do so many things. Now be say they carry work, they give foreigner. They export inside the company, they import into our country unemployment. So what do Okowa do? Okowa government come build 19 technical schools. Means say every local government for this state now get your own technical education. Finish that one now, enter road. He don't do road, so they call him the road master. He don't do bridge, so they call him the bridge master. So they walk inside the riverine areas of Burutu, Bomadi, inside water, they be bridge. Even get the one when we say there's just commission, never take so. The one for Ogeli South, not be small thing. All together, he don't do 799 roads. And the gutter will follow now 1,577.8 kilometers. No community will never see Okowa Road. That's what we say to travel inside Delta State so easy. So far, he don't do 1,577.8 kilometers. Finish from that one now, begin to renovate schools. All the Pako schools. Primary and secondary, especially primary school, 2 superb. State universal basic education with. Now he begin to renovate schools. He renovate schools finish, renovate secondary schools. So every community when you work out go, you must see one new school where we say it makes sense. Not only that one, no. Okowa finish, he begin to do what they call contributory health insurance. When we say they carry health insurance services, health services, they go give our people say not to get money. Civil servants, people in the side village, people in the side town. Once you register with 7K alone, 7,000. As you dey sick, they carry go today, they ask you anything. Now so the program before those who say they don't register. Not below that one, no. Okowa move from there within the last 6 years because these 6 years, it's just like yesterday. But yesterday, the way he do things, it be like saying a magic. Okowa can't say these civil servants when we say they make our state the better, we say they work. When we say they stay for inside, different people ask where they rent. So now in the office. Now I build the finest secretariat for Nigeria. The secretariat for Miriam Babangida will hear for Asaba. Because it good say, as the matter be for ground, maybe they see like that, and more they talk like that. The stadium dey for them. Now sports, Okowa carry this that Asaba Stadium. He changed the name to Stephen Keshi Stadium after I don't build and finish. Now then I say they call the host better match, international matches, everything they come. So the countries they come play match for Asaba. Today Asaba na business hub because of the airport when they finish the airport finish. He finish and both the tarmac, all the places they get ready, he clean them up. So the different airline, and one of the busiest airports. Now we get for Asaba. You walk out for Okpana Road before you go no say devil get power. But when Okowa come, we no say Jesus is Lord. In fact, that thing changed the name to the roadmaster. Governor Okowa walk out within these 6 years, carry court of appeal. Asaba division come. We know the trek go Benin again, say they go find justice. The government of Okowa, they manage the local communities in such a way that if they bring the traditional institutions together, if they bring the youth groups together, If they bring the civil service, they bring everybody together to preach peace and harmony. People, they get half information, conny information when they cause fight. They spread rumor, the waka. Now Okowa create the State Orientation Bureau. So they carry information, they go give una on our doorstep, even if you miss it, they go speak in our local language. When they talk what you Okowa don't do in the last 6 years, Shigeji, Shigabo, they go dark, they go call break join. Okowa carry body, blend with our traditional institutions. Come ensure, say, come build secretariat for them. They call our traditional rulers Central Secretariat for Asaba. Why we for State Orientation Bureau, for this program, when they call the matter for grant, they take this opportunity, they call them on their terms. And by extension, Nigerians, maybe they give Governor Fire to cover the continuous support because we will not get any other data when we go again, apart from this data. Those who say that they Benny man, they thought say Okowa never do rich. Yes, we they crave, make it continue to do more. But when I go ask yourself, say, bring meat, bring suya, and my body day. These people, you don't pay your tax. Rome was not built in a day. If you take other states when they are around us, they just oppose that I go no so Okowa don't ever try. Say Governor Okowa sit down, create 3 universities once. Not be say create the 3, go park them for one place. He spread them for the 3 senatorial districts. So for those when we say they never do well, they'll be like how would you talk now? Oliver asking for more. But would they tell them say if Ogoro no enter inside water, you know say Ototanko water day. Before they go say no do more, make we continue to give and the support. Make you see the work they go. In as much as Governor Okowa don't work so, he still get some things when we say never touch. Not be say no one touch them. Now small they take the build us there. Because you must do foundation first before you go build us.
The matter for crown. Now who I go out?
People on matter for ground with this one, like I told before, matter for ground. Now here, they should not really matter we say concern the society. And the matter they talked since last week, now Governor Okowa 6 years was down for office as governor of Delta State. How the 6 years administration be for the life of the people, now we talk. And this week we want to talk about youth development. How these 6 years of Okowa administration that will affect the life of Delta's youth and even those who live for Delta State. Now we talk today. So we don't hear the DG of Orientation, but we don't talk how the 6 years of government be, but still get my country. But that's the way we should know about this matter as a concerned youth, a development for Delta. No, I go with them. I get for you, Mr.
Archie Anthony, I greet you, Oga Matter for ground.
I greet you, my sister. Viewers, I greet you now well.
Okay, Oga Anthony, lecturer of Federal College of Education, Technical, asked about Delta State. I greet you.
Thank you.
Okay, I get a comrade here, Comrade Elvis Ogisi. I greet you to a Matter for ground.
Thank you very much. I greet you especially too.
Okay,
my people at home, I greet you now.
Yes, we hear you. And I just say, if you want to talk about how any country go better, you go make a shook eye for youth matter. And that's why Matter for ground today, they talk youth matter for this program. And we don't hear our DG way talk Rotation Bureau of Barrister Uzum. He don't talk about the 6 years, he talk different things where we governor do, but we talk about now the youth. But what you get to talk, Mr. Archie, as it concerns youth development for Okowa 6 years? I'm waiting the DG first to talk before we come to you. So.
Before I talk anything, it gets one thing when I won't tell my country people, especially Deltas. It will get one impression when I want to make it correct. Every time we go to see governor do this, we go to praise, they do sing praise, they praise governor. If you look on there, before governor enter, in campaign, he get waiting to tell us say, now this particular thing I want to when they put me for office. And he be say, as he enter, he supposed to do those things. And as he they do them, we supposed to tell and say, you dey try when you take wetin you tell us now you dey do, but no be say we go come dey praise governor like say in na one business man wey go source money for somewhere take come dey do the things for state. Because if you look am well the money wey we take dey do the things for the state na the money wey the state dey generate. So we dey say e just be like person wey dey work for office, at the end of the month dem go pay you salary. Not so. So if your guy praise you, not praise you, you know say you dey work for something. So wetin I dey try talk be say make we dey and if the governor too no dey deliver, na the responsibility of the people to tell us say when you wan enter, you tell us say na so thing you go do. And those things, as you know dey go, we dey tell you say remember wetin you tell us say na you wan do, make you be say you go do those things. So na wetin the first thing I wan talk. For the area of youth development, you know say I no go remove am for the governor say he line up many programs when we start with this smart agenda. Many programs wey be say even pikin wey dey belle if he hear the program, he go rejoice say I wan make dem born me for this state because good thing dey for young people. But you go find out say as these programs dey come up, different programs dey come up, the question wey dey many of our mind be say we dey hear for television, for radio, we go hear say so people empower, so we go dey ask our DJ for orientation don talk say, but the question wey some of us dey ask be say we go try to hear say dem don empower so number of people, how, when? Because e get many of our people na village dem dey. How government take dey make sure say those people wey dey for villages, rural area, interior village wey be say light no dey, they go take know about this program or these schemes. And those people wey be say dem no know any politician, some say no even know Asaba wey be state capital, how dem go take dey benefit from this program? Because sometimes I will go find out people from my village how many people benefit from this scheme. You go discover say the people wey benefit, most of them either dem know one politician or the other. So the question wey dey many of our mind be say when and how e be say we go make sure say this program for young people, because they say the youth na dem be the leaders of tomorrow. When and how e go be say this program no go be for a few selected people or people wey no politician, because e get many people wey dey streets there wey be say if government empower them or give them avenue for empowerment, they go contribute well to government, and they go make sure say the community where they live, as they contribute, they will also dey help the state for that level they come up. So these na issues wey be say e dey burn for the heart of many young people wey be say when they talk about youth empowerment, they go say na who dem make am for, because they no believe say na for everybody, because the government of the day dey make us believe say the program na for everybody.
And what you talk about if they reach the grass roots, the villages, but I don't hear some of the adverts where they talk say you go collect the form for your local government. That's your village now. And you hear that one too.
Yeah.
So who fit go back from city go village? You know, they say the village person so you still get access to that form and the rest.
Make a cutting for you now. Now, if you find out most of the local government areas, but they cited for places where not developed. Now we get interiors. Now if you look the program when Ministry for Youth Development do, the commission and then now it came up with a very smart plan. RISA, rural. So we will not take that one out of this whole thing now. Rural. Now many of the applicants they go online. For the rural areas, internet facility dey there. That's on one side.
Okay.
Because most of the forms dey online. Now they say, okay, go to your local government area, go pick these forms. You know if you tell me say some kind of people wey dey come from some kind strong Ijaw village, all those Bene, Kru, Koko, Diagbene, some kind interior. Before they go really use Kenu, first of all, till reach their local government headquarters, where like 2 days for water mosquito not biting well. But when you say but say no need, why the state government not fit carry camera? That the smart agenda camera wey they carry well. If they want do all those showcasing, they go carry camera. Carry camera inside Tip village. When we see when we give all these villagers the form for them. I want to dey sure say those people now cross from the interiors come their local government headquarters. That's on one side. Now, who do say you collect that form? Not to collect the form with the team. Now, who you submit the form? Who be your guarantor Now the
Some of the
matter.
person are very fast to all this because when they see plenty people they graduate, they give them this startup.
We agree, say plenty. We agree. We agree, say yes. Like I start my talk. We don't say they know they happen or these people know they benefit from the scheme. Apart from the fact, say who will benefit and how it take reach them. I will tell you, say I get people will be say then the carpenter or bricklayer, as in people will qualify will be say if you look themselves, you go know say this person he gets zeal, say no do this thing, he get this thing, and he dey ready to contribute to how it be say that person not fit benefit. And number two wey dey inside be say if we dey talk say dem dey give so person because at the end of all this scheme dem dey say so people graduate. Wetin be the proportion of these people wey dey get the scheme to the number of the unemployed youth? I don't know whether you dey get and the I agree say you no go fit train. Yes, I agree say you no go fit train unemployed youth at the same time. But you know say as you dey roll out this scheme, you go make sure say the thing go round all the villages, all the nooks and crannies of because like if election come now, for instance, they must reach people dey reach village, but the campaign reach even village wey you say go like inside home. But when empowerment come, people dem dey tell them make dem go local government area, and at that time your councillor, I dey talk from experience, your councillor go dey ask you say you know me, must I know my councillor before I go benefit from government scheme wey be say I dey contribute. For instance now the okada rider, many okada riders wey you dey see today, some na graduate, some don learn work but no money to start a small business. None of those type of people dem need the scheme for. So if I don't know my councillor, because for most of those funds now you be say somebody go shorty you. Yes. If you don't come see somebody wey dey for the class of people wey say make dem shorty you, who go come shorty you? Now wetin we dey talk be say some of us don work with some NGOs for empowerment scheme, and na model wey government suppose copy. Because for every system you go know say e get people wey be say dem no get anybody but dem dey well meet, but e still dey within the system or the village or the community, e still dey where they are aligned. The government need to cooperate with the church. You dey get me? Because during that COVID time, some organization use church to distribute palliative and they get results because they need to get a report. We need to cooperate with traditional rulers, you know, our civic system wey dey village, because na dem know people pass. And they tell me say if you go village today as e be say you say you wan know people wey be criminal, e no go hard. Dem go tell you say check this house. Na there dem know people wey dey put hand dey collect people things. I don't know whether if you understand. So we need to compete with those already existing system so that this thing will reach the people wey need am. Because most times the people wey dey get this empowerment no be the people wey need this thing. And the empowerment dey plenty, both of scholarship. Scholarship dey inside. People wey dey school, we go see many people that go drop out of school because nobody to pay school fees for them.
Before we go scholarship, which is another way we say government fit still help the youth for when it comes to development. You talk about the different skills. That was where you start. You talk say yes, the government gets different, plenty.
Yes,
different skills. And when they see different programs for youth, and they see for TV how the program they go and how they give them startup pack. When you talk about say nobody does really need them. And now they go from my question. We say, most of they put a call government. For matter for they try to talk the issue, how it be, and how it will take better for everybody for the country. That means the focus of matter for ground. Now you talk about say don't only down, they go. We see you need to go call government for that matter. You are an individual, you as a person, let's say this program where we say government bring now go so cloth, for example. I don't want so cloth. You see blame government now for carrying yourself good because you don't collect startup pack.
Okay.
We see put down for government.
Okay.
No,
thank you. Yeah, now for Nigeria as a whole, in short, make I really try to even take and go Africa safe. We almost get systemic failure. We lack ethics and morals. We lack conscience. We lack conscientiousness. We really use our conscience to do things. Now that being said, these people now when they carry this starter pack recurrently every year, you will see them, they will wear t-shirts this year. Next year they will wear Jagged t-shirts. The other year they will wear Lysa. The other year they will wear Project Jets. This same person wey you know say don already take from here. Now the state government,
like that.
I know what I tell you. The state government, if say they dey use biometrics, say you go when you apply, they take your thumbprints, they take your bio data. The next time if you come again, if you put in your data, you show say you don't benefit.
But let me say I decide government here. I dey talk the way the matter be. I go out there, I get opportunity to deal with one of these persons when they do this training. I don't want person call and say this person wey dey for this your program. He don't do this same program previous year, so get to drop. And as I hear that and I experience that one.
Good.
You get my gist. So you talk about say they don't get this system to know who don't do.
Who don't do.
But let's not go back to that same. I think we don't do last year. Once you come and carry yourself go again, we'll see that for government. Who will talk about that?
I think just like what my brother talk, you know say where you not put law to checkmate human being, human being will do as they like. And naturally, the way all of us be, we be very selfish. And so government must put measure where we say they will be checkmate those excesses because individual on their own, they will want, we know Nigeria, and everybody wants grab, they say their own share of the national cake. So why would they appeal to individuals? Because as you don't benefit last year, you come again, make you benefit again this year. You will block somebody chance we need that area. So we need to appeal to people's conscience to say when this type of thing come, allow your brother to benefit if you don't benefit before.
Yeah. Okay, I still appreciate you talk say government do this program. What other ways when you talk about before we go other ways again? Talk about the local lapses, the way some of the difference will be say government supposed to but say the right people benefit from this matter. So which person talk say government not do this thing where we want to give them idea on the way we say go get better, all of us go benefit from. Before we go to another program, for this program, so the step, all of them, which way I think say, how they contribute, so I think say, government if you do it well, we say, everybody go happy, say yes, so you reach what you're supposed to reach.
One of the ways when I think say government go feed do and be say, I don't already talk and make government cooperate with other relevant agencies wey dey in existence, like the church. For example, you go discover say, e get some voluntary organizations like Red Cross, wey be say when they wan do event, anything you put for their hand, you dey get result because dem get integrity. They wan protect say this thing wey dem give us, you make we do am, make e be say as dem tell us to am, na so we go do am. And churches too. You be say for church, every church know their members wey dey in need. Wey be say if you apply for churches wey dey honest to. The pastor will talk say this person you not dey for the category of people wey suppose get this thing because at least we see say you get substance.
So that honesty for that church.
Yes, e get churches so e get many churches that still get integrity. Even traditional rulers too. When you cooperate with all of them, then my brother don talk something. We need to apply technology. So we be say make e be say if somebody don collect like today now get some organization wey dey give loan. They don't need collateral. Once you don't give them your BVN and you don't capture your biometric, anywhere you want to go. Anytime when you open an account anywhere, they will say now you be that one. So government need to apply technology and work with existing agencies wey dey for especially the rural areas. Because I will tell you one truth be say traditional rulers and the people wey dey work with them, the new person, people wey be say these people come from poor background wey suppose benefit from this scheme.
Okay, I don't talk like as a concern this program. I will say the immediate past commissioner for youth development, they supposed to, but because one or two things, enough make them go. They know more about this matters. What other ways now to say for youth states benefit for these 6 years? Apart from this plenty programs, so I just talk so.
If we want to say some youth will benefit from these states. That's still the same youth that will be around the corridor of government. Now the night they see the shout, say, try for them. So outside all these skills and empowerment programs, the governor, he appoints some people, SSC, on this one, SSA on this one, SSA on this one, SSA on that one. Go check all the SSC where they say they don't appoint. Now, how many of the get office? How many of them? No, I'm not sure say any of the get office. If they don't get office, I say there be senior special assistant to the governor, and be special advisor to the governor on youth matters. How many of them don't come and say, okay, this small thing the government will give us, our small salary, our small interest, make me one program to take empower these youths. How many of them? So you not see,
okay.
You not see any of them. They now say they will wait now say yes, governor empower youth through giving them appointments. Now the appointments, now just to pay them, many of them will say they want to for election period. Many of them will wrong things.
Okay, so they talk matter for matter for ground. Yes, you spoke about saying that true say the governor for these 6 years empower youth, give them all these appointments. But you don't say now go back to the youth so they can't give that empowerment. How you empower other persons?
I think for me, I will give the governor credit for this one because for some of us who don't be around, don't listen for many years, young people not even there for governance at all. And so for him appointing young people into those type of office, I give them big I raise hand for that one. That one a good step. But you know, if governor don't make young people to be SA or to work for as commissioner or whatever, he do for the young person hand to really see. He get many people who they look up to you. We do within that sphere. We do say you suppose also empower them. And you see, when we talk about empowerment, not only when they count out money, give person say go start business. Empowerment plenty. You see somebody wey be say he just dey wander around, you no know he get talent but you no know which one be talent. You help am say arrange himself say this, if you follow this line, life go better for you. You know, he get some wey be say normally school fees for 1 year na remain make the person go wan drop out for school. That one you don empower the person. So he dey lay for those young people wey governor don call make una come into government, make una also, and they suppose to dey push governor too. You know, because they be like representative of the young people for inside that government. Suppose they push governor say, see, you get area wey you never look this side. You get some things wey you never do like this. You get something wey you dey do, but you get some things wey you miss inside. Do am like this. I think that area be like the people wey they don't give those appointments, they never do well for that area, because if they don't do well, you go to show for every aspect. And so you know the blame governor say appoint young people wey be say they not fit use the power wey we give them to move to the next level and to help other young people make them move to the next level. And another area too where I dey see be say, apart from all this skill acquisition program, we could also dey look education, because I know say many deltas they like school, they like education well. And you see, if you go around, if you go some schools, you know, you are the teacher. If you go some schools, you go to prepare you for IDC. Say some people wey dey go some public school, they go dey wear tattered school uniform. I don't know whether if you understand, because you get some things when they trend for social media. One councillor for for Bayelsa will take money wey governor take empower for join. You think I'm going to do money now? As he do the bridge now, everybody for that community, she just be like small girl for them. Her own, that's now her whole sacrifice as in make I help my community, and since then governor don't give her recognition. I wish our young people wey dey governance would they do like that. At least if they appoint me SSA to governor and I come from a particular locality, my people suppose feel my being close to government. I don't know if you understand. Yes. And my focus suppose be young people will be like me, because them I go relate easily. Now me go know their problem and their. I don't see many people will be say for their community that will compile names of people who dey school. Will be say they know say their papa no go fit pay school fees. They will give them small thing. All these ones there.
Because everybody if you get the SC, be their give you so much okay. And my people in matter for ground be so matter for ground. They talk about 6 years of Governor Okowa's administration for Delta State. When we work for studio now, one sharply go straight, go here waiting our country people, some of the youth. And first we get to talk about this 6 years of Governor Okowa for office. Make you just chill the call. We can get plenty matter safe to shoot my port. What must stay?
I don't feel the benefits where they say that they give youths for the state. Maybe other youths don't feel them, but from my own side, I never feel them. I see they hustle my own. I don't even know if anything like youth development, something they the state, apart from the Empower Kiniko. But okay, if you ask, I just say if you ask any youths now for the road, what will be the number one thing where you say you want? Now, job now. If there's a way government, state government, we create sort of a ministry, we say they handle unemployment rates now, unemployment for the states. Through that unemployment bureau now, if we go a long way to help you to they employed. And I believe now, not everybody want to do skill, not everybody get that grace, not everybody like go learn handwork. So you can't, if you choke person with handwork, say now only their work day. Now you are the state government, now your work, you have to brainstorm, look for avenues to create jobs for people. If you just or say you must learn skill. Either you can learn how to make bead or you learn how to bake cake or do tailor work. Not everybody want to do that kind of work. So you cannot, if you limit us to say this is not the only avenue where we say we say help you. No. Yes, so you can help us through that avenue, but also create opportunities. Maybe say other youths we no want to do skill acquisition can also benefit from. If you just say that only because skill acquisition or learn work or learn handwork, then other people who don't want to do all those ones, you call they hold them for one side. No, you have to create equal opportunities for everybody. Those who want to learn handwork, may they learn. Those who want to do white collar work, may they go do the white collar work.
For Delta State here, though, I know say they don't have so many of them here, but if I want to talk about myself, I never see anything yet. But I know that the expectation of the righteous will not be cut short. I don't hear about some programs now where they don't do, like STEM or so, then year gap. There's another one like that. I only heard about them, but I see people so now we don't still do them. Though the state is trying, but it gets so many youths when they Delta State, so we never know about all these things. We never know about the development when the Delta States they do ever since. If they will create that units, when they help check those youths, when get idea. Like some of them are talented comedians, we know those things. Some of them are even a music guru. If they go try to know them, discover them, apart from white collar job and other things, I think that one will go a long way in youth development.
From waiting, I dey read or watch. Governor Okowa don't empower more than 100,000 youths in Delta State through his YAGEP STEP program. In terms of the political appointment, 40% of the appointments go to youth in Delta State. For that, I want to really appreciate the man for remembering the youth at all.
He don't try now. He don't try now. Human being now in be so. He don't try the one way if he try. And we know say waiting there for rulership now. Where you stop now, another person go stop. But when you there, what you do now be the question. But as it don't be say so, the one way we see for eye, no be waiting we no. The one way we see for eye in the try, sha. But waiting at the other main do be say. Youth way there for this state, so may find way give them waiting they want shop because now waiting you put for their mouth, now waiting they want no. So no be by waiting you give them for hand. Now waiting they go they do, they see waiting they shop. Now it matter.
Matter when the ground be saying Okowa na Babao, the guy don't try where I don't feel like you because as the matter take be swear, you can't even jam the correct person when be like say you for even interview for the matter because I be one of the beneficiaries of one of Okowa empowerment program. The one when they call a rural youth skill acquisition program for under Ministry of Youth Development. We're not gonna feel like youths for Delta States, they don't collect well for Okowa in the sense that many of them now they don't get starter packs, they don't get small thing when they go fit take arrange themselves. If you look those ones when be like say they don't fit start small business, they don't fit they self-reliant, they don't get money from streets through their handwork. As it be say Okowa don't really develop them in terms of skill development. So the guy don't try. If you should be say from school where me don't go, I not go feel like you. I go advise any youth when they now say make them not just sit down for house. They expect say after they go school the normal 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, say they go get white. Cause the truth be say not be matter of Delta State. Now Nigeria as a whole. The problem now Nigeria because imagine situation whereby 1 million people go get admission at the end of the day 1 million people go graduate, whereas they know they create industries. You know they see that they build factories when be like say these people go feel work. So the issue not be matter of Delta State, now Nigeria matter. The only thing when me I feel advise them will be say me they actually commode their mind, because me as a day I don't go school. I graduate after 5 years when I do engineering. As I come out, I discover I say man, now only the thing when my hand fit do now fit help myself. Oh. And I be the thing where don't put food for my table. So the day when it be like say the turn of certificate to put something for your table or to give you something, it go reach.
Government in National Assembly don't they do anything, so you don't get.
Then they try because Nigeria they hard. Make them try more, and then make provision for job, so that our children go work, take care of themselves, take care of their parents.
In fact, the youth of Delta State, in fact, they are living where everybody for, in fact, infrastructural development, anything where we say governor don't put for this state, say make sure say the youth of Delta State make everything work well for Delta State. The youths they are smiling for Delta State.
We know they talk say SARS or police na the only problem we Nigeria get. People when they close to government, they want to tell government the truth.
The matter for ground. Now who I go
So I don't hear about the street people. They talk about how they see Okowa's administration for 6 years as a concerned youth development. They'll come back to studio sharply and talk the matter finish. I get for here Mr. Archie Anthony. I greet you, Oga.
Thank you, my sister.
Oga say get for here Comrade Elvis Ogisi. Thanks you for coming.
Thank you very much.
I don't know what our country will get to talk for street. You're talking about education matter. What do you get to talk about these 6 years? Yes, we don't get creation of 3 new university join our university lecturer.
That one a good thing for the state to get those number of university, because it will create employment. Because one of the people for street talk say, you see say many people they go school, they graduate, nowhere for them to work. I think this one now another opportunity for people to get job for those schools where they don't create. But you discover say as they create more school, the people where the place they employ not go too plenty. Meaning say more people go school, more people go graduate. So the government need to partner with individuals, agencies to begin to create industries. So that all these people when they come out for school, they will get there to work. Otherwise, the number of Yahoo boys will increase as well.
So industry, when you say industry, do you say it feel possible? Because when they talk about it, it's not possible for Nigeria.
Yeah.
When they say industry, we say factory, we say this is where they come out. Apart from being a civil servant, you figure other things to do.
Well, now the major problem now is electricity for the country, because without electricity, without power, the industry is not going to function very well. Yes. You know, so that's on side. I hear one of the guys for the street, they talk about say they don't know about these programs. So government needs serious awareness. They need serious awareness campaign. We need to do billboard everywhere. That's all these programs they come up. Yes, government programs. Then another thing for the employment sector, most of these people in civil service, they will do all their life till the ones who die. They don't old, they still did the work. They don't know. So all these people come outside, they will wait for how many years. Also, when we die, they don't do the work. So no government comes between the people, when they shut the ears, they take their attention. Make people come out of streets, they walk.
Okay. This addition doesn't get 2 years to go sharply.
I think my advice, one of the persons may talk for those streets, talk say, not everybody want do skill acquisition, not everybody want go school. You get the area where they call talent development. Have a big government. You get people who sabi sing. You get people who say that sabi play football. You get people who be comedian. So make them get somewhere where they will get talent development center where we go fit develop this.
Okay, so apart, thank you, Mr. Archie Anthony. So apart from this organization, the talent development, say if there are other ways we come out national come matter for grants. Next week they will come talk on that matter. We say concern with society. Make us stay safe. Now me are AKA the village fine pay. 21. I salute. Bye bye.
say she gets a ballet. If you ask me, now who I go ask? No matter where we see, so it's always times. No be me go talk, be heavy for mouth. Oh, if you ask me, no matter for ground, hey, now who I go ask? Say I did play, but all this type of things they happen every day. Speak out or take some action, I beg you no delay. No make matters worse past as a day, if you